Canadian kita kena di barang putri piala dia nama taka Olympic game but international game prepare kini di kena kita ya kaya kecil wrestling. Nah kalian juga Meghalaya Wrestling Association kelas le sitom menang menyo kan ai kecil kai kita pura nama taki kena jadi teman-teman sih kita langut coach na Japan di national coach yang ke Japan di Lapoi banyak pun ke Olympic.
You could should be and you kick back. No. Squeeze, kick back. Yes, right there. Okay.
Look at this wrestler from all over the world and this wrestler from our state. How do you find them? Are they good enough to compete with other wrestlers? How's your proposal?
Probably not yet because they just started. Because many people started from MMA, not from wrestling. And our wrestler, we came here, they're Olympic champion, world champion. They started like 4 years old, and they're like 24 years old. So they already wrestled 20 years every day. So we just started this year. Just started wrestling about 3 years ago. So not enough yet, but maybe later. Keep going. Maybe they make good wrestling.
Agni ka coaching camp ladon kumba sispa arput ki wrestlers ki bawan napar ki district like no ka southwest Garo Hills baka south Garo Hills andre baro ki districts kala represent to anne lagba ka coaching camp te hakaju ka poru kani gadi ka kabu haba ni kumka wrestling association ni dang tang arsenal te majority jangkini ki wrestlers lu kidang ya yo practice slam ne ba bom ki ba yo practice dang dei tang ki benai re da perkhat kata idon kindian ngot ki bela practice la arsenal la isna menta but ki ne ki opportunity mingiyo kamne kala long sha ka jingkur pu mingiyo ya kini ki wrestler bakin yo pan ya tejo borlang but kiwi ki but I mean but kiwi ki jalla jangka iyo jangka hi jangi kan aba wrestling kiwi jalla la established ki spas nam ringi dang sedang dang arsenal aba ya nujar kata ka shimpor hadu ship house nam baduna ban training bafin yo Olympic level international level medal te hangni ngidang sedang dang arsenal te at least nia don jingkermen ba nginyo le pha ka ka nationals kanang ri ka senjam ka banungkong na benta ka long term bet sambai tat bengia perkhat long term ni sha
from delivery kan thai the athlete in Japan wrestling really medalist Olympic feel wrestling the Meghalaya athlete are they strong or not?
How do you?
Are they strong or not? Are they powerful, strong?
They? No.
They're not strong.
Yeah. But very, good. Wait.
Okay.
彼らは強くなるかもしれないが、とても真剣に取り組んでいる。
They may not be strong, but they take it very seriously.
Yes.
They may not be strong, but they take it very seriously.
Yes.
What can they do to improve?
私たちが教えたことを継続していくことが大切だと思います。
It's important to continue what you've been teaching.
Yes, only this camp, not.
If it lasts longer,
Yes.
it goes
Long
more.
time. Yes.
Long time.
Yes.
If it goes long time, it's
Yes.
better.
それはとても面白くないかもしれないが、それが大切。
It may not be very interesting, but it's important. Okay.
I think maybe not interesting. Sparring better. Sparring better than interesting, but basic practice is it's most important. Yes.
They just started, so they can weight training and stuff like that. But if you want to be a good wrestler, you have to learn wrestling technique. You know, not judo, not boxing, not MMA, wrestling. So you have to learn wrestling technique. So that's most important because you compete in wrestling, right? So that's the most important. You're not bodybuilder, you're not weightlifter, wrestler. So have to learn wrestling technique.
Hakani ka benta ka pamenta ngala banong ba kajing toy ka bangayo hakani ka kajing kai training hapo kajing kai jang kini ki coach ki penabar ma lawan po Japan kinong ki world champion ki olympic champion te ngala bun bune ki jing mentai bat kumjuru kala yarap shibun ni iwei haki skills bangi dang duna haki training ki bangi dang duna but kantam katai kowe
Shop in the higher wrestling ka sport ko pila.
siya bangan sedang melakai wrestling ta sedang siya melakai football te hadian ahajar aku nga sedang lakai MMA te menta pada ngalapoi ka wrestling lu nama ka MMA ka dalam wrestling te la lang aku bakal ka mixed martial arts tama kala mix lang kan haju te menta singi parang iyo ban menta la jan stio iyo akan kajingkai kelan mat wrestling nak kumang ong menen nakin coach panabar te tangki kai
Kapag pakliam kalau lada terfokus pada wrestling, lots of focus on martial art. Nama apa? Train wrestling. Tidak cukup balik wrestling dan mixed martial art.
Jadi bang ayo kalat te bangan shit bangan nanti bang ayo kalat bangan mencong nak bangan tebet cucu ya ladi hak wrestling dengan shim ya kalat berkakabu tambah apa kejela jengi tengi kadang dikasihin kapan kong benwan wrestling mah te oiru kemencong nak first generation hak wrestling kede ki coach jengi te kalang kame yang aban bang bang dengan shim ya kan wrestling kum kata ka senjam ka bangan sule be boroshta te nakata kaliang takadang ale lang ka MMA jadi bang ayo alat wrestling tu ngale henry jadi bang ayo pat kakabuhi bang konsentrate hak wrestling tanggal ashim ya lah
Tidak cukup balik kali
dan jikmu bangan pentebet arsha ela di bangan kamlar ban pentebet haki ki bangan duna nang bangan yo bangan pir akan ke national games bangan wan mata namarkan ke national games kadi nabaro ka jela jangi ke India te kan khambe ki nong Meghalaya nama kadang dai ka sien jam ka baning kong bangin yo ban shim peta akar sling na wala kataru mo gini ale tinge namar kum ka jing training ka bangi layo matrai ilahi ban yo ka jing jok
Macam kuno laka transition jokin karate sekarang wrestling. Kalau kuno.
Oh kayak pair ba shibun ba karate galong hakawe ka sport ka striking art ka wrestling pa ka grappling art so ka jing air kalau laka jong
Kum mentap pilayo kani kacang training ini dai. Riusi. Aduh lessons kita pernah learn kebetulan maybe polish.
Ka lessons bagi ai ini si aki Olympic champions but ki world champion but iko shunkiru bagi national level coach ka Japan ke bagi ai ma ki ka small details bagi ai ngi for nagini ki Henryus ngi but Henry ne news ngi bagi lapni kai and ka session through RCN shisngi kalong very valuable where ka small details kalong ka yarap bon hate ben yo ai ka technique sometimes ngimut ba nile ta kom tu kalalong tamba kilawan mo kipat kipeni ka small detail ka pair bak labak ba kilapen itu ba tang itu small detail can make or break the technique dah ka kilawan mo ki sini kalalong ba yarap bon ba ini
Maybe sport kini di Olimpik. Abi kamu ke jenjang sparring.
Ani ka dengan Spartang para mengita yang sobiang tambah lawan beki Olympic level champion ba world champion pat kalong gisto kan kadang ba ma there's level to this game matas ngita there's so there's level to this game ana lakman ba bang yo bana tani kan camp ana ka coach ki president ngi boro wala yarap pen right ki players beki coach ne lakman semua pelak.
Here, thank you for inviting us. We are going back tomorrow. So we come tomorrow morning. Just talk to you guys, but today is gonna be last day for teaching. Okay, and we are going back. We going to Delhi. Take flight, but so here to which airport?
Guwahati.
Yeah, 2.5 hours. Delhi, maybe 3 hours, and we going back to Japan about 9-10 hours. After that, we have to drive to home, and we get there 6:30 in the morning Thursday. But I have my class, university class, 1 o'clock. So I have to go back. I have to teach. So after that, I have a meeting too. So and next day, Friday, I have to go to a national Japanese camp. So kind of busy. So thank you everyone, and everyone is very good wrestler, and you guys just started. So you guys need more repetition training. What you learned this camp. So you have to do it again. But one thing you guys are not good because you guys like real wrestling, you have to get in sparring, but not many people get in. So don't be shy, and you have to wrestle. Like they get in like 16 times, they can do 16. But you guys like 3 minutes, maybe 6 minutes, get too tired, can't get in. But if you want to wrestle at the national tournament or international tournament, you have to wrestle like 5 matches a day. So that's 3 minutes, 2 times, 100% times 5 match. So you have to have a more condition, stamina. Okay?
Memories as well as being grateful to these very wonderful people in our lives. In fact, that has changed your wrestling. Indeed, right? Has it helped or not? Yes or no? Yes. Louder? Yes. Yes. Thank you. So, sir, at this very moment, we would like to call represents with the Muga, Paila, and also 68 kg freestyle wrestling. Please welcome Ami Nishi. And to do the honors, I request Mr. Sri Kaili Payat, who is the Secretary of Meghalaya State Olympic Association. In the freestyle category 63 kg. I request Bajon, please do the honors for our very special wrestler, Ms. Sakura Motoki. Please give her a big round of applause, guys.